Today I'm going to make Lacha potato and Dill leaves Pakora. Let's start. Chop dill leaves, grate 3 potatoes, add chopped coriander leaves, add ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon jeera powder, salt, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, turmeric powder, combine together. Add 4 tablespoon corn flour and mix. Add 2 teaspoon of maida and mix it well. Add some cumin seed. Take small portions and deep fry. Fry till golden brown. It's done now and serve hot. Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe if you have not done so. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.